Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Frame.io for review and approval and post detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Frame.io. Press enter to navigate to the Frame.io homepage. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your valid email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure the password meets the security requirements. After entering your email and password, click on the Continue button. You will now receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email application and find the verification message from Frame.io. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Frame.io website. Now, you can log in with your email and password. On the dashboard, look for the subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs for review and approval features. You will be required to enter your payment information. Fill in the necessary details, including your credit card number and billing address. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is correct, click the Confirm Subscription button. Your payment will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation message. After subscribing, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various features available for review and approval. Consider setting up your first project to get started. Invite team members to collaborate and review content. Now you are all set to use Frame.io for your review and approval needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.